Troubleshoot and fix your thermostat button.
Hello, thermostat troubleshooters. If you're here, it's likely because you're facing issues with a non-responsive or malfunctioning thermostat button. Not to worry. In this video, we'll guide you through the steps to diagnose and potentially fix your thermostat button. Remember, safety first. Always be careful while dealing with electronic devices.
What's the issue with your thermostat button?
The first step to solving any problem is identifying it. Your thermostat button issue could arise from simple dirt accumulation, a software glitch, or internal damage. Pay attention to the button's response. Does it not respond at all, or does it respond intermittently?
Cleaning the thermostat button.
Often, the issue is a simple one. Over time, dirt, dust, and grime can accumulate on and around the buttons, causing them to stick or not respond properly. Here's how you can clean it. 1. Turn off and unplug your thermostat from its power source for safety reasons. 2. Remove the outer casing of the thermostat. This usually involves removing some screws. 3. Once opened, use a clean, dry microfiber cloth or a can of compressed air to gently clean around the buttons, ensuring no dust or dirt is jamming them. 4. After cleaning, reassemble your thermostat, plug it back in and test the buttons. Caution: avoid using any liquid cleaners as they can cause more damage.
Resetting your thermostat.
If cleaning didn't solve the issue, a software glitch might be the culprit. The easiest way to fix this is to reset your thermostat. 1. Again, ensure your thermostat is off and unplugged. 2. Look for a reset button or a combination of buttons that triggers a factory reset. You can usually find this information in your thermostat's manual. 3. Once reset, turn the thermostat back on and check the button function.
Contacting a professional.
In cases where cleaning or resetting doesn't help, it's possible that your thermostat has internal damage or an electrical issue. In this case, it's best to contact a professional technician to avoid causing further damage. There you have it. We've guided you through the steps to potentially fix a malfunctioning thermostat button. If the problem persists, remember to reach out to a professional to ensure your thermostat is properly fixed. We hope this video was helpful and made your thermostat troubleshooting journey a bit easier. Stay warm or cool, depending on which button you're trying to fix.